Alright, buenos dias, que paso amigos, John's Moto Garage. I gotta go put gas in the M109R, so that's all I'm doing. Taking it for a quick spin to the gas station so you guys can see what it's like. Every time I jump on this bike, it just amazes me. I mean, it's a muscle bike, man. It's a big, kind of heavy, not necessarily the most nimble bike, but it's a freaking muscle bike, and it is a blast. All right, you guys, John's Moto Garage, quick getting gas on the M109R. There you have it.
Que paso, amigos? Hope you guys enjoyed that John's Moto Garage short sesh. These are just quick clips that I have laying around, so I'll bring these to you on occasion in the AM, but not to fear, I've still got all the regular John's Moto Garage content here coming to you in the afternoons. Thanks a bunch to all those who subscribe and support the channel, much appreciated. If you dig the content, like, subscribe, hit me up on Instagram as well, and if you guys have a favorite motorcycle of your own and you want to share it on the channel, send me pics and a quick blurb about why you dig the bike to johnsmotogarage@gmail.com, and we'll share those in the oncoming subscriber shout out videos. Again, thanks a bunch. We'll hit you up on the next one. Nos vemos.